Hey everybody, it's Kev Mac and Psycho Dogs. Psycho Dogs. Psycho Dogs. New field.
Just don't show her face.
Okay.
Mommy, just cover your face.
Cover your face. Okay, we're batting first. Alright, B's at bat. B, get at bat.
Okay.
Do you think
I like to do this to see if my bat works.
do you think you could crack one?
Me?
Okay.
Mom, cover your face.
Overhand.
Cover your face.
Oh, and the bases, you need to back up a bit. Because the
Well, no, for you. I want to make sure you can hit it. Ready?
strike one.
I'm a little rusty.
Ru-
Shana, why don't you stand behind her and get the ball?
I'm wearing pajamas.
You are, Kev.
Yeah, because I'm weird.
Ready?
That was low.
Strike two.
Good job.
I'm blue. I'm a D. I'm a die. I'm a D. I'm a die.
I can't go underhand for her.
No. It's against the rules. Oh, go start first. Stay. She's on first. Juliet, you're at bat. Get at bat. Get ready to run. Oh! Go second, go third. That's not second. Go to third. Oh my God. That's home right there. Go right there.
I wanted it at home.
That's home.
All right, home run. Then, I guess.
I made my first home run.
Home run! Yay!
Yay!
That was the most confusion of all time. That was a great hit.
Oh, I know.
I'm at bat.
You're all over on here. You're not.
So you guys got 2 home runs? Well,
Two
one
runs.
home run
Two
and
runs.
1 run?
2 runs. 2-0 us.
Take that pitch. Oh, well, there you go. What is it?
I don't have an outfielder. I need Daddy to be the outfielder.
Wait, can I just be the outfielder?
I can't get in. Oh my God. Can't get it.
I'll get it.
Go, yeah.
Hi, Juliet.
No, then I'll get stuck.
Hi, Juliet.
Cameraman.
All right, go first.
Coming at ya.
Woohoo!
All right. Brenda's trying to throw the heat against me.
1-1 the count is. 1-1. Peaches, get on over here.
Am I doing it too fast, Kev? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Why is there a hole there? That's a nice little hole, right, Kev?
Yeah. It goes right in the middle of it.
Where's the hole? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. 1-2 the count is.
There's a fly on me. Oh,
Why?
There's a fly.
I'm gonna die because of the fly.
Those babies fly on my head.
Oh, sorry. My
Ball 2.
all behind Kevin.
2-2 is count. Let's back up.
Wait, is Daddy here? Is Daddy here? Daddy here, Mom?
All right. 2-2 is count.
Yeah.
I will try. Hit.
Daddy's here.
Where is he?
Daddy's home.
Daddy's home.
Daddy's home.
Ah! Let's watch him score. I don't think he knows where he is running.
Okay.
Daddy's walking south now.
Oh.
Who's
Oh,
up
God.
next, Mom? Hey, you can't steal a base when I only have 1 man on the team. Kev's cheating.
Yeah, you're cheating. I just saw this big hairy bug on me, and you know what that was called? A mosquito.
We're ready, okay? All right, Beatrice. Knock this one out of the park. Juliet crushed that last one after my home run. Da, 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 da. Da.
You're being foolish on
The pitch. Swing and a miss. Strike 1.
Throw it higher.
Oh, wow.
What an arm.
What an arm.
Juliet, I know where you're going to play next year.
Yeah.
Swing Swing and miss. Strike 2.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh my goodness, she got it on.
What's my leg on
Right to me.
Swing and miss. 1 out.
David's been a hole in that
Juliet. Juliet's at bat. Juliet's at bat.
set up there. It's like the worst spot for a hole.
What hole?
No, right there. All right, Juliet's at bat. Juliet's at bat.
Focus.
Hocus pocus, keep your focus. Juliet has 1 home run.
Can you be on Mama's team?
I am on Mama's team.
Yeah, do it.
Swing and miss. Strike 2. 1. Strike 1.
Get the ball for her.
I'm not that dog. Come on, I'm not
Peaches,
fielding.
get the ball for her. Sorry.
Go! Stay first. Stay first.
Stay first.
Stay first. I'm at bat.
I'm at being get it.
Hold up, guys. We gotta clean this. We gotta clean this.
Gotta clean the bat. Come on.
Clean.
Clean the bat, buddy. Come on. Clean the bat. You can do it.
They just made a pitching.
Who's a better pitcher?
I don't know.
Be honest.
I don't know yet. Uncle Tom only threw 1 pitch.
And it didn't even make the base. Yeah, don't worry about hurting Uncle Tom's feelings. Who's the better pitcher?
I don't know.
When Uncle Tom is done.
Oh, no!
Oh my goodness.
Tom! Pay attention!
Woo!
Did it hit you?
No.
He scored. He's going to score too.
Let's go!
What a win was that?
Home run. You got a home run.
All right. 5-0. All right, Beatrice, get up bat.
Okay.
One of the longest innings ever. 5-0.
Come on, don't video that. Mom, come on, this is all I
Wee.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
B.
Come on.
B.
I'm an innocent.
Beatrice, when you swing,
I know,
swing this, like this.
I know like this.
I don't want you swinging like this.
You got your full
I
phone.
know like this.
Can you guys pitch it?
Keep your eye on the ball. I want you
Don't.
to look at
I
the ball
will
all
do
the way.
it.
B, try to look to see the holes in the ball, okay?
That's what Coach Scott.
Oh, I forgot.
That's
Go, stay in first, stay in first, stay in first, stay in first, stay in first. Stay in first. Stay it. Okay, Juliet. Julie.
Back, then I'm gonna declare Mom to do it.
okay, and you gotta bend your knees a little. Julia, bend the knees.
I know.
Strike 1. Juliet's getting really better. She's awesome. Oh, what a pitch. Oh, my God. That pitch, though.
Mom, pitch. Way better.
Yeah, now I think about it, Brenda's better.
Brenda, you're better.
Yeah, better.
I know it.
Swing and a miss.
He's an awful pitcher.
Well, is that the whole purpose?
Oh my god.
I'm kind of hoping for me to. No, Beatrice.
I love Beatrice.
Oh!
Okay, ready? Oh, boy.
2 balls.
That's because you're awful. He's gonna make us lose.
Throw an inside pitch. They're trying to walk me.
Oh, boy. Brenda's going. Come on, Brenda. Dirty bug. I'll get you. I'll get you, Beatrice Rose. Oh, no, I gotta get Kevin.
Come on.
We're good.
guys are so fast. You're so young that you're faster than
Oh, is that about a curse? Is that
I'm
about
not
a
going to
curse?
curse.
Okay.
All right.
You guys,
Beatrice is at bat.
Dang.
We're gonna have to end this game early. Okay.
Oh yeah.
These are the last 3 batteries in case. So we're gonna.
They didn't even bat yet.
Yeah, because we're up 7-0.
Oh yeah.
Come on, B. B, you're up. You're up.
are we up yet?
No. If we these are our last 3 batteries, and then if we score another run, we have to end the game.
That's okay. Kid. You know what? Ready, go ahead, big Chris, remember, watch the ball all the way in.
Watch the
Level
ball.
Keep this arm up, not the front arm, this arm, the back arm. Hey, keep your back elbow up. That's it.
Strike 1.
Don't watch me, B.
There's
Watch
1
the
out.
ball.
No, there's actually 2 outs actually.
When the ball gets near you, kill it. Kill it.
The ball.
Strike 2.
Swing like this, B. Swing like this.
Oh, that was awful. Boy, Julia. Boy.
I'm so hot right now.
Yeah, me too.
We might. I just want to end this game, really.
Remember, swing this way, baby. Go like this. Turn your shoulder.
Okay.
This shoulder into it. Go.
Strike 3.
Jack hurt.
You get one more strike, B. That first one was a ball pitch. I want you to swing it.
That's so nice.
Babe, when you see the ball, I want you to cream it. But you gotta see the ball. Make sure it's a good pitch. If it's not a good pitch, B, let the ball go. You can get another one. Okay, here you go.
Yeah, but it's Kevin's ball.
Keep that right hand up. That right elbow up. Go. Oh, close. Good try, B. That was a good try.
Alright, I think that game is over, I guess.
Okay, I want to pitch to Brenda. She needs to try.
Okay.
No, she
The game is over, guys, so we win 7-0.
Yeah. We should have a celebration.
I don't know, but we win. This was just
You want to do another game? We're up that. You guys
nah.